My name is Bill Harvell. I've worked at Nuance for almost 8 years now. I'm the warehouse manager. My job responsibilities include overseeing the shipping and receiving at both of our buildings. I work closely in conjunction with customer service and the shipping department. I'm also part of the safety committee. So at the beginning of the day, we will print out the orders that are due to ship today based on the dates in the system. We will assign the orders to the people in the warehouse. Once we've handed out all the orders that are complete, we generate a list to send to the production team detailing what items we still need to complete orders. We check everything ahead of time to see if there's any special requests. Certain customers require certificate of analysis or SDS to accompany their shipments. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we check all these special requirements for any customers. We are the last defense once the product leaves here. If there's a mistake, then the mistake ships. We have to catch the mistake. What I love about working at Nuance is we create value for our customers and for our employees, and it was evident from the very beginning that they valued our opinions and our ability to make decisions. And it's nice to be validated like that. When you're working with a company that people have been here for 35 to 40 years, that says a lot about the company and the owners.